Foreo has introduced a new product and we are using it today. It's called Peach 2, an IPL hair removal device. I'm going to start with my face first, so be sure to shave off all the hair. You really won't notice how much you have until you shave it. Shaving also serves as a form of exfoliation. As you glide the razor over your skin, it helps remove dead skin cells, improving your complexion and making your skin brighter. The next step, we're going to use a cooling prep gel designed to soothe the skin during IPL treatment. Now for the hair removal device, it offers 5 intensities, allowing you to adjust it according to your skin sensitivity. I've been doing IPL treatments since I was 16 years old for my underarms and bikini area. It really works, and all I need to do is maintain it every couple of months. There's a lot of IPL devices on the market, but the Foreo Peach claims to be the fastest and most effective compared to others. I personally trust Foreo products. I own almost all of them, and so far they've delivered the result they claim to provide. For larger areas like my legs, simply press the flash button continuously for the glide mode, making the treatment faster than using the stamp mode. If you're looking for a trustworthy IPL device, I highly recommend this one.